welcome to my tutorial on how to play a guitar solo saturated with passing tones. Now, passing tones are notes that are not normally in the scale that you have selected. I'm playing in the key of A minor, and I have chosen the A minor pentatonic scale because most players are familiar with it. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and here's our minor pentatonic scale. And we can extend the scale by going here. Okay, now what we're going to do is add passing tones, which are chromatic notes, which are a half step apart. Now what we're going to do is make those notes outside the scale fit into our solo by simply moving between them using our pentatonic scale as a map to start and stop. Okay, our scale ends up here, right? And begins down here. Now what we're going to do is to bridge all those correct notes in the scale with the ones that are not usually correct by just moving between them like this. So here's our little box here. So we're going to move like this. We can start here and go all the way down here to the 5th fret where our scale started by just going just like that. And you notice it sounds okay. And then when we get to fret 8 here where the pentatonic scale ended, fret 8 right there, we can do this. And then we go to fret 7 and then back to fret 8. So we have all those chromatic notes to bridge our pentatonic scale notes. We'll start by working it this way. Notice that we bookend it with a note in the pentatonic scale every time. Right there. We can also do this little trick. Here's where our pentatonic scale notes are here on the 5th fret. So what we can do is lead into those notes with the notes on the 4th fret, like this. We can also get away with this at the 7th fret. So we can go. To better show you how this works, I'm going to play along with a backing track using just the pentatonic notes, like this. And then we'll compare how it sounds when we add the chromatic notes. Here we go. Now we'll play along with the backing track again by adding notes just like this. Here we go. there it is. There's your easy way to learn how to saturate a guitar solo with passing tones and chromatic notes. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.